All right, it's time to check out the Plano, Texas real estate housing market update. It's November 2021, so let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing we do is date and time, see where we're at. Refresh it, it's 124, November 5th, 2021 here in Plano, Texas. Next thing we're going to do is come over here to MLS. This is the database that real estate agents use. We're going to make sure that we are in Plano. Okay, so the data we're getting here is a residential single family home, single detached, and Plano. We're going to hit save and it should update. As you can see here, it's Market Watch customized. So right now we have 41 new listings and 50 sold listings in the last 7 days. Again, this is for the city of Plano in the last 7 days. This is a 7-day snapshot. You can pause this video to see these other numbers. The two main ones we like to focus on for the last 7 days is new listings and sold listings. All right, so let's take a look at planorealestate.info. All right, so we're here at planorealestate.info. I'm gonna leave the link here in the description below. This is for the overall city of Plano, the Texas housing market. And real quick, you can come over to this page if you want and just click on your zip code, and then you can see all the same data that's relevant to your zip code only. This is for the whole city of Plano right now. You can tell that up here. If it's a zip code, it'll have the zip code up here as well. We'll scroll down here to the median sales price, and as you can see, we went from $450 to $440 for the month ending October 2021. So a little bit of a decrease, but not much. As you can see, it hasn't fell below that low point right there. But hold on, I'm gonna show you something else that did go up. Let's look at the days on market. As the days on market is increased from 8 to 9, so they're not selling as fast, but 9 days on the market, that's still real quick. All right, this is the percentage of original price. What this means is in relation to the listing price, where did this sell at? And right now we're at 101% is the median, which means half the homes sold above 101% and half the homes sold below 101%. So half the homes are selling above original list price. But to get that, you got to make sure you price it correctly. All right, this month's supply for City of Plano. And one more thing to note, this information is updated daily, every day by the MLS on this charts. As you can see, here's November 5th, 2021, which is today's date. And as you can see, the month supply has remained the same from the previous month, 0.7 to 0.7. Inventory of homes for sale at the end of October 2021 is 189, a slight decrease from the month before, and a slight decrease in new listings. And that's kind of expected here in the later months of the year. Now, let me show you something real quick. Scroll back up here, and we're going to look at 75075 real quick. Okay, now we're on the Plano, Texas 7507 housing market page. As you can see right here, again, you can just click on those buttons to get to your zip code. There's a quick video here that explains the page. Now, if you remember, the Plano, Texas median sales price for the overall city of Plano went from $450 to $440, so it actually went down overall in Plano. But this right here is 75075, as you can see right here, the median sales price went from $410,250 to $437,500, so a little bit over 27K that it increased from last month to this month. So that's a pretty significant increase. So something to keep in mind is that even though the overall city may have gone down to median sales price about 10K, doesn't necessarily mean your house went down in value. So if you need a detailed analysis of your property, make sure you reach out and I'll be glad to help you out. All right. Now let's take a look and see what's available right now in Plano, Texas. All right. So this is what's available in Plano, Texas right now. All right. So I created this page and I'll leave a link to it. So I eliminated everything that's pending or active option contract or active contingent. So this is actually, we got 145 properties in Plano, Texas that's available and for sale right now. And you can always come over here and sort it the way you want. Right now it's priced high to low. You can go low to high or latest listing, or you can come over here and start putting in some other parameters to narrow in on exactly this what you're looking for. Okay, so real quick, I am a real estate agent here in Plano, Texas. So reach out if you need a hand with anything as far as your real estate needs. Be more than glad to help you out. All right, take care and have a blessed day.